Happy Fabfitfun Friday. I've got a mystery bundle and 2 add-ons. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now. Chloe's taking a shower and Bandit's hiding under my bed for some reason. I'm not really sure why. But if you're new, thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So don't mind my appearance. It was so hot and so my hair is so flat tonight. But we're going to power through because I'm not putting on makeup tomorrow. Alright, so Fabfitfun quarterly lifestyle subscription. Y'all know the drill. Hopefully y'all know what Fabfitfun is. By this point, if you've watched my channel, I have a little problem with Fabfitfun. It's a little addicting. But I got 2 add-ons in one mystery bundle. So I am kind of doing a mystery bundle several times a month. I don't know if I'll have enough to do every week, but several times a month. And at the end, I will be choosing a winner. So I started that this month with some old mystery bundles I had filmed for mystery bundle battles, but my battle partner is not participating right now in YouTube. So at some time if she comes back, that'll be great. We'll get right back to it. But for now, I'm just going to show you what I got. So the first add-on that I got, and I love this brand, is the Skylar Midnight Moon cologne, and it's actually like an oil rub-on. So there is how it looks. Has a nice smell. Not what I would have normally picked out, but I do like it. The scent notes are Italian bergamot, cranberries, and vetiver. And it layers well with vanilla sky and willow woods, it says. So the vetiver is usually one of those scents that isn't my favorite, and that's probably what's in here that probably isn't my favorite, but I still like it. So I'll still get use out of it. I believe I paid $11 or $12 for this, and I believe it retails for about $22. And the next thing I got was this cooler bag. Now, do I need another cooler bag? I do not. This is by Packed Party, and this is the Cool It Down insulated cooler bag. And there we go. So, I mean, I could definitely use this for lunch. Like, usually once a week I bring in lunch for most of the week, so I need a slightly bigger bag that day. So that's a good one for that. And then the rest of the week I just bring in something to drink, my overnight oats, that kind of stuff. Okay, here is my mystery bundle. It is 2302 MYS 025. I hope you guys are seeing these mosquitoes attacking me. I do this for you. So the first thing in there is by CO, and this is a reusable wrinkle smoothing patches, and these are for lips, it says. I will look up prices, so prices that you see will either be from the company's website if I could find it, or if I find it somewhere else, such as Ulta or something like that, I'll just have the price. If it's from Amazon or something else, Poshmark, whatever, I'll put that into. Next, by Cocoa Floss, we have some mint Cocoa Floss, and this is some really good floss. They're using a coconut thread, and it is refillable as well, so you can get refills. Refills are, I believe, $8. I'm not 100% sure. Next, by Tahari, we have some I Hope Sunnies. Let's see. Oh, yes. there is a price tag on these, so this is a $55 value. All right, what do you guys think? Do I rock these? I don't know. They're really big, but I love them, so I'm gonna wear them. Last is this. This is by Summer and Rose. So unless they have this in their current sale, I'm not going to be able to find a price because that's their in-house brand. It's a wall hanging. Oops. It's probably, oh, okay. It's a little odd, but it's nothing I would have ordered for myself, but I don't know, I'll probably give it a try, see how it looks up. Okay, that is my mystery bundle plus 2 very small add-ons. Tell me your thoughts. What did you think? What do you think about this mystery bundle? Are they getting better? Are they getting worse? What do you think? About the same? You know, since the price increase, I haven't been getting 3. I'm only getting 1 because it's just too much. It's, you know, they kind of took the fun out of it, I think, by raising the price. I know a lot of people feel kind of the same about that. So, you know, a lot of people aren't really getting as many of the mystery bundles when there's so many other, like, you know, mystery boxes out there that you can give a try to as well. All right, well, let me know your thoughts though, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.